But you giving me
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I want to tell you guys all happy holidays. I know right now it's pretty hectic. There's a lot going on in the world. Leave a comment down below where you're from, but I do know that it's pretty hectic out here where I'm at, with all the shopping and the whole inflation and prices and stuff like that. It's pretty bad out here. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful and safe holiday. But anyways, this unit does come from Nadula.com. This is their 33B. It's like a reddish ginger brown color. I think it's perfect for the fall. As you guys can tell, this is their glueless cap. It does have the elastic strap on the inside, the 13 by 4 inches of parting space, and the adjustable straps. And this is how the unit looks on me. You guys can wear it straight out the box. You really don't have to do any customizations to this wig. I do like Nadula because they lightly tweeze their unit. You don't have to tweeze it, but you guys know I always go in and customize a little more. But first things first, we're just going to get this hair nice and clean. I am using my Carol's Daughter shampoo and conditioner. Everything will be linked down at the bottom in case you are interested. So as you guys saw in the last clip, I did receive a bit of shedding with this unit. I am going to keep an eye out on that. A recommendation that I do have is a knot sealer. Whenever I get a unit, specifically ones that are colored, they do tend to shed a little more than other units. So definitely pick up some knot sealer and just spray the inside of your cap, and that will actually reduce the shedding. Right here, I am just lightly tweezing the hairline. Like I mentioned before, their units do come lightly tweezed. What I'm going to do is just create a little bit of a gradual effect just so the hairline looks much more natural, and you guys will be able to tell here. Again, I did not take off that much hair. There's not much of a difference, so you do not have to tweeze your hairline if you choose not to. Okay, I really like that about Nadula. But right now I am going to spray the hair with more water just so I can get that hair nice and soaked, and I like to use this particular detangling brush because it kind of adds more texture to the wig. And I do have this foam. I bought this for my natural hair, but I didn't like it. So any products that I don't like on my natural hair, you'll see me use it on my wigs, and a lot of you guys are like, stop using those products on your wigs, use it on your hair. Well, I'm not going to use it on my hair if I don't like it. So I have a whole stash, and I do like it on the wig because it really enhanced those curls. And I do get a lot of comments from people who may mention that their curls don't look like mine. Sometimes it does have a lot to do with technique. I'm not going to say it always does, but most of the time the product that you use and the technique really makes a difference. So again, I will link all the products in the description area in case you are interested in trying. But right here, I just applied some foaming wrap mousse to the front of the hair, and I'm opting for a center part. I'm just going to go ahead and style the hair as usual. So this lace is not HD, so what I'm going to do is tint it. You guys know how we usually tint lace. I like to kind of put it in hot water with some Rit dye, but I wanted to try the foundation this time. I'm just using some liquid foundation and I'm going to seal it off with some hairspray. I love that method because it saves you a lot of time. But anyways, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on and I am going to get that lace cut off. So for the Meltdown, I am using my Bedhead Hardhead Mini Hairspray, and I'm just going to lightly spray that around the hairline. I also like to use my hair dryer to just kind of get that to dry down. Like I've mentioned before, try not to move that comb back and forth. It actually helps to not get flakes or crustiness, and this is how it looks. Now I just like to use my elastic band to kind of further melt it down, and now I'm just getting the top of the wig to look nice and flat. So you guys know I did have to add some baby hairs. I feel like whenever I'm a bit apprehensive about the lace blending, I do add baby hairs to kind of cover it. But I did also go in and manipulate the hair a bit to get some volume and added some additional layers just to help with framing my face. And this is how it looks, you guys. It's not really my get down, like you guys know me. I like my black hair, but I always feel like when I wear hair like this, I have to wear a lot of makeup, and I naturally wear my makeup kind of like natural, so I never feel like it matches the two. But for those of you guys who love color, you will love this, especially during the holidays. I do feel like it's giving me fall vibes, and I do feel like it can also give you Christmas vibes as well. But here are the angles of the hair. I do believe this hair is a 20-inch, and I am 5'8". My torso is more on the average size, and this, it kind of falls like right into my bra strap, and the density is 150%. But what I'm doing here is adding some cover up in the parting area just so that I can kind of get a bit of like a darker root, I guess. I'm also using this old mascara wand to help with distributing the product throughout the root area, and this is how it looks. Y'all let me know what you think. Again, y'all, this comes from Nadula.com. All of their information will be linked down below in the description area. Again, my unit is a 20-inch. The density is 150%, and the color is a 33B, like a ginger reddish brown color. I think it looks good with all complexions. Again, y'all, let me know what you guys think of this unit, and I will catch you later. Bye guys.